In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert shapes in LibreOffice. Whether you're working on a document for school, a presentation, or simply exploring the creative possibilities of LibreOffice, inserting shapes can add a professional touch. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to ensure that you have the LibreOffice application open on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official LibreOffice website to download and install the latest version. Once you have LibreOffice up and running, you'll see a variety of options. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on inserting shapes into a writer document, which is similar to Microsoft Word. With LibreOffice open, click on the writer document option. This will open a new blank document where you can start inserting your shapes. Writer is the word processing component of LibreOffice, and it's quite powerful, allowing for a variety of formatting and design options, including the addition of shapes. Now that you have your document open, look at the top of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. From the menu, click on Insert. This menu is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your document, such as images, tables, and of course, shapes. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Shape. Click on Shape to reveal another menu with a selection of different shapes you can choose from. LibreOffice offers a wide array of shapes, including basic geometric shapes like rectangles and circles, as well as arrows, callouts, and symbols. Select the shape you want to insert by clicking on it. Once selected, your cursor will change, indicating that you can now draw the shape onto your document. Click and drag your mouse in the document area to create the shape. You can adjust the size and proportion by dragging the corners or edges of the shape after it's been inserted. In addition to resizing, you can also customize the appearance of your shape. Right-click on the shape you've inserted and select Properties from the context menu. Here, you can change the line color, fill color, and even add shadow effects, allowing you to tailor the visual style to fit your document's theme. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a shape into a LibreOffice writer document. Experiment with different shapes and styles to see what works best for your project. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore these features, the more proficient you'll become in using LibreOffice's powerful tools. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to insert shapes in LibreOffice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using LibreOffice and other software. Happy creating!